Curiosity is the spark behind every idea. We know there are a lot of curious minds out there, eager to ask, discover, and learn. To help such curious minds who are preparing for design exams, Think Institute of Design have launched the Curiosity series. This series will help you prepare for the entrance exams to get into premier design institutions like IIT, NID, and NEFT. In this Curiosity series, we bring to you practice questions, short lectures on important topics, quizzes, study notes, explanation on previous year questions, and many more, which will help you prepare for your design entrance exams. World Heritage Site designation reflects a country's stand in the cultural sphere of the world. In today's video, we'll be discussing India's contribution in the list of World Heritage Site by UNESCO. I'm Akhil Rajratnam and you are with Think Institute of Design. A World Heritage Site is a landmark or area designated by UNESCO for having cultural, historical, scientific or other forms of significance. There are 32 cultural, 7 natural and 1 mixed property in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. A natural heritage is the gift of nature, whereas cultural heritage is associated with man-made things and things which were found during the different phases of human civilization. In 2021, the Ramappa temple in Telangana and Dholavira in Gujarat were added to the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India, making the count to 40. Dholavira is an archaeological site in the Kutch district of Gujarat. The site's excavation was between 1990 and 2005. Being the 5th largest metropolis of Indus Valley civilization, Dholavira has a fortified citadel, a middle town and a lower town with walls made of sandstone. Dholavira is an outstanding example of planned city with a planned and segregated urban residential areas based on possibly different occupational activities and a stratified society. Technological advancements in water harnessing system, water drainage system, as well as architecturally and technologically developed features are reflected in the design, execution and effective harnessing of the local materials. Ramappa temple, also known as the Rudreshwara temple, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Telangana. The temple complex consists of 3 temples constructed between 1212 and 1234 designed by Ramappa. The temple is a Shivalayam where Lord Ramalingeshwara is worshipped. The main structure is a reddish sandstone, but the columns round the outside have large brackets of black basalt, which is rich in iron, magnesium and silicate. On 25th July 2021, the temple was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Apart from the list of heritage sites, UNESCO keeps a tentative list of sites from various countries. A tentative list is an inventory of properties which a state party considered to be cultural or natural heritage of outstanding universal value and therefore suitable for inscription on the World Heritage List. As per the Operational Guidelines 2019 of UNESCO, it is mandatory to put any site on the tentative list before it is considered for final nomination dossier. As per the rules, any country can submit the nomination dossier after 1 year of it being on the tentative list. In 2021, 6 sites in India were added to this tentative list. They are Satpura Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh, iconic riverfront of the historic city of Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, megalithic site of Haire Benakal in Karnataka, Maratha military architecture in Maharashtra, Bedagat Lamtagat in Narmada Valley in Madhya Pradesh and temples of Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. Here we are providing a model question for you to practice. You can comment the answers in the comment box below. So I hope you got the idea regarding the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. See you with a different topic in the next video. Until then, bye from Think Institute of Design.
We have short-term courses, long-term courses. Short-term courses include crash batches and foundation batch, and long-term courses include regular batches, repeater batches and long-term weekend batches. For more details regarding our courses, visit our website www.thinkdis.com. The link will be provided in the description box below. Let's design your career. Let's design it together with Think Institute of Design. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also click the bell icon. Bye. Stay tuned for more updates.